Number 2 of top 10 places to visit in Edinburgh, Scotland. What's something people don't know about Edinburgh Castle? It's not just a historic fortress, it's a venue for world-class entertainment. Perched atop Castle Rock, Edinburgh Castle has dominated Edinburgh's skyline for centuries. From royal residence to military stronghold, its walls have witnessed it all. Today, this iconic fortress is one of Scotland's top tourist destinations. Imagine exploring ancient chapels, grand halls, and fascinating museums all in one place. But wait, there's more. Edinburgh Castle isn't just about history. It hosts incredible events like the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo and concerts by stars like Taylor Swift. Picture yourself surrounded by the castle's majestic architecture while enjoying a world-class performance. It's a unique blend of the past and present, creating unforgettable memories for every visitor. So, are you ready to discover the magic of Edinburgh Castle? Grab your tickets and let's go on an adventure.